Assalamu alaikum friends, once again welcome to my channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be may almighty keep you happy, keep you homes inhabited, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful, amazing crochet stylish handle basket designs ideas collection. Beautiful colors, beautiful contrast, very amazing colorful crochet home decorative ideas, colorful basket designs ideas collection. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs, show to people in it all the designs and that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my videos. So friend, this video is very helpful and useful. So I will keep sharing similar designs with my dear friend, and inshallah be sure to let us know in the comment box how you like our videos. If you want to watch fashion and videos, and if you guys want to, you can take a screenshot from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs for yourself. This type of designs is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today video is amazing. Our videos are lovely designs. Don't miss any of the video on my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me. You will remember. Bye. Allah Hafiz.